Welcome back, everybody. Welcome back. Hope you guys are doing good. Hope you guys are doing great. Welcome back. All right. So we did the drums, we did the pianos and pads. Now we're gonna move on to the bass. Okay. So let's take a gander at this bass. All right. So what I did, I actually ran it through an amp. This bad boy right here by Acoustica Audio. Ran it through an amp. Got a preset going on. I think I did a rock setting, something like this, and then I changed the head to, I believe, something like this, and then of course made some adjustments. The reason why you don't see this on is because it takes up a lot of power. So we just rendered it to the track. Okay. So let's just take a listen to this bass in solo. Here we go. All right, pretty good sounding bass. The only thing we are going to do to this, we're going to EQ and compress. Of course, ask yourself, what is it that you want to get rid of? It's going to be some of that, again, low mid, low mid. And Personas has a wonderful preset that I like to use. Is it this one? I believe it's this one right here. They have a great preset, and I usually change this to a two-way type style, change that to the limiter. But let's just take a listen to see what this is doing. And I like to just cut it just a little bit up to 40. All right, let's just take a listen. All right, so already the EQ, with the EQ on, it got rid of a lot of that mud. So I definitely like what that is doing. Actually not gonna do too much to this. I might have to come down in this section just a hair, just so I don't get that thuddiness. But other than that, I like what that EQ is doing. All right, let's add some compression. All right, so yeah, we're just gonna just get rid of a little bit of thuddiness. It's like some rumble that I don't like in there. Um, we're just gonna add another fat channel here. Let's see, let's set this to default. We are going to EQ now. I think are like around 126 almost, just to get rid of some of that thump. I really don't want the thump. I want the bass to be like yes heard, but I really just want it to be felt instead of like in your face. You know what I mean? You know, different songs call for different things. Okay. And let me loop a spot to where it's really thuddy. It's like right here. All right, let's get our 1176 going. I'm going all buttons in. We are going to do a very, very fast attack, a slow release. So that's how I like my basses to sound. You know, very nice, controlled. You know, in the low end. Like I actually feel it in the low end. You know what I mean? It's like yes, it's being heard, but for this particular type song, I wanted it to be felt rather than heard. You know what I mean? So I don't know a better way to say that, but it's still gonna be heard regardless. Hopefully, you guys know what I'm trying to say. So when we blended it in with the other pianos and pads and the drums, I think it really sat well in the pocket and everything like else like that. All right, so we are almost there, guys, with the music. Next, I believe we'll just do like the guitars, like the acoustic guitars and electric guitars and everything else like that, and we'll just go from there. All right, love y'all. Peace.